Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a new Google Sheet file faster, or the shortcut to make a new Google Sheet file. So instead of you open the Google Drive and then click on a plus icon and then go to Google Sheets and choose a blank spreadsheet, it is faster. You can do this. So what you can do is open your browser. So at the new tab here, you can just type in this sheets.new and then click on enter, and then just like that the new Google spreadsheet file will be open like this, and you can just start enter your data in here. So yeah, that's the simple tutorial, but I hope this will be helpful to you. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment, and if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to click on like and sorry, subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.